rice. Look, beautiful. This fried rice, shrimp fried rice. Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make some shrimp fried rice. Here I have some ginger. Put in some ginger. I have some ginger, garlic, and onion. Gonna cut up, chop up, very fine. Have some onion. I'm gonna dice up some onion. I'm gonna take it, cut it up all here. Knife is very sharp. And then pong the garlic. Alright, and that's it about it. I have some other veg I'm gonna add. I'm gonna cut these up shallot. We have some bora, and we have some cabbage and some carrots. Okay, I'm gonna put some oil in the frying pan. I'm gonna fry up this ginger, this garlic. Alright, we're gonna fry that and throw in the bora. Fry it up. Show you the next step. Add the peppers. Alright, this red pepper. Alright, come back and show you the next step. Alright, fry the shrimp. Come back and show you. This is going to the finishing touch, guys. I'm gonna put some of that. Put some of that. Put the shrimps in. Mix all this up. Look how beautiful this shrimp fried rice look. Wow. This is all the ingredients we use for the fried rice. Okay, sesame, oyster, Chinese sauce, mushroom sauce, soy sauce. Okay, these are all the ingredients we use. And the chicken cube and jasmine rice. Okay, we use jasmine rice. Okay, all these are the ingredients.